Hi guys, welcome as we do this question. Guys, let me just read the question. The probability that a student passes his exams is 4 over 5. If he passes exams, the probability that he gets employed is 5 over 8. If he fails his exams, the probability that he gets employed is 3 over 4. Determine probability that Roman 1 he is employed. Number 2, he fails and doesn't get employed. So guys, we do this question. And so I had prepared something here before, and this is what I have, guys. So we are going to represent passing with P, and we are going to represent, that is passing. I can write passing exams or just passing. Then F will represent fail, and then E gets employed, and U is unemployed, that is doesn't get employed. So guys, the question states the probability that a student passes exams is 4 over 5. So guys, we are going to use what we call a tree diagram, and the tree diagram is drawn like this, like that. So guys, the first probability is that if the probability to pass exams, so I'll write P there, and then guys I'll write F here to represent failure. So the probability that he passes the exams, guys, is actually 4 over 5. So when I put 4 over 5, guys, then it means that the probability of failing the exam should be 1 over 5. Guys, this is because the probability should always total to 1, meaning it is either one passes exams or fails exams, so that both passing and failing is represented by the probability of 1. Thus we move next to the next stage, where we are talking and saying if he passes his exams, now using this, the probability he gets employed is 5 over 8. So I will draw another tree, another branch here, like that and like that. So this one, guys, is that the probability he gets employed is 5 over 8. So guys, the probability that he doesn't get employed should now be 3 over 8. So that probability totals to 1. If you add that and that, it should total to 1. And this is now probability of getting employed. So I'll put E there. The probability of not getting employed, that is unemployed, I can represent it with U. Guys, we continue. If he fails his exams right here, the probability that he gets employed is 3/4. So we draw yet another branch here. So let me use the black pen, like that. We are saying if he fails his exams, the probability that he gets employed is 3/4. So the probability of employment is 3/4. And so therefore the probability of not being employed then should be 1/4. Because that probability, the total should now be 1. And so therefore here, guys, is for the probability of being employed if he fails the exams. And of course, this one is the probability of not being employed if he fails his exams. So from there, guys, we can now be able to get our probability here, whereby we say the probability, here we say the probability probability of passing exam and being employed should then now, guys, be given by 4/5 times 5/8. So guys, we look for that, and this is our, it's actually supposed to be written like this, guys. It's not like that. So guys, this is now going to be 4/5 times 5/8 will give us now 0.5. Coming to the next, the probability of passing the exams and not getting employed, I will represent it like this. P, A, this is P, then we are going to have, let's represent the probability of, maybe guys we can put this one as P again. This is P again. And so here we have P. This P represent passing and failing to be employed, U. So this one, guys, is going to be 4/5 times 3/8. That is 12/40. That is 12 divided by 40. So that gives us 0.3. This is 0.3. Coming to this other one, guys, the probability of failing P, the probability of failing F, and being employed, this gives us now 1/5 times 3/4. That is 3/20. That is 3 divided by 20. That gives us 0.15. So here we have 0.15. Like that. We continue. The last one, probability of failing exams and not being employed, that is being unemployed. This one now, guys, is going to be 1/5 times 1/4. That is 1/20. 1 divided by 20 gives us 0.05. 0.05, like that. Guys, now we go back to our question. That is Roman 1. Our question states, he is employed. The probability that he is employed. So guys, we are going to check at where one is employed, and this is, we have this and we also have this. So guys, that is going to be 0.5 plus 0.15. So guys, the probability that he is employed is going to be 0.65. So that is the probability of that he is employed. Coming to 2, he fails and doesn't get employed. So guys, we shall go to where we have fail and not employed. So this, guys, is now going to be 0.05. Is actually this probability. He fails and doesn't get employed. So guys, that's how we do that. And thank you for listening to me, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.